Hello students, welcome you all. The main motive behind sharing this video with you is just to give you an information regarding the textbooks of sociology for UPSC civil service preparation. As you know it, in the sociology paper of UPSC, there are two papers. Paper 1 is called the Fundamentals of Sociology, which consists of 10 units, and paper 2 sociology is called the Sociology of Indian Society, which consists of 3 units A, B and C, and these 3 units have further been subdivided into 15 subunits. So what are the standard books that you have to read for the purpose of covering all the topics of paper 1 and paper 2? You see, paper 1 by nature is static. I will be telling you at the beginning that both for paper 1 and paper 2, you just go through certain standard textbooks, that is NCERT books for class 11 and class 12 in sociology. You also follow the IGNOU material of sociology for MA degree. Apart from that, for paper 2, because it is more dynamic, you have to read editorial of Hindu newspaper as well as editorial of Yojana magazine. Right now come to topic wise book list for paper 1. Just I would be showing you the book list, topic wise book list for paper 1. You just go through the book list topic wise for different topics. Now you come to paper 2 sociology. As I told you earlier, paper 2 sociology is by nature very dynamic. Therefore, you have to update your study with current affairs. You have to give emphasis on the report of the Census Commission 2011 because 2021 census has not been published. Apart from that, for scoring good marks in sociology paper 2, you have to read any national newspaper like Hindu preferably, The Hindu preferably, or the Indian Express, or the Times of India. Apart from it, you also go through magazines like EPW, Yojana, selective issues also. Then these are the topic wise book list for paper 2 that I will be displaying you through this video. After reading all these books, unit wise, you would have confidence that you have read the best source in matter of your preparation in sociology for UPSC civil service examination. Along with it, you also see the previous year's questions, how in twisted form questions have been asked in paper 2 context particularly, and sociology, both paper 1 and paper 2 context generally. You try to write the answer of the question at home, sometimes also make framework of the answer, take also test series program somewhere in some institute, then I'm hopeful that you will be able to score very good marks in sociology. Wish you all the best. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.